Welcome to the launch highlights of the Google Pixel 10 Pro in India. In this presentation, we'll explore its key features, specifications, and pricing. And features. The Pixel 10 Pro is powered by Google's latest Tensor G5 chip, delivering the best photo and video quality ever on a Pixel. The new TPU is 60% more powerful, and the CPU is 34% faster. With these improvements, the phone brings next-generation AI features, supported with 7 years of feature and security updates. Hardware and performance. At its core, the Pixel 10 Pro runs on the Tensor G5 built on 3nm technology, along with the Titan M2 security coprocessor. It comes with 16 GB of RAM and storage options up to 1 TB. In India, the 256 GB model is currently available. Camera system. The camera system is one of Pixel's strongest highlights. The triple rear camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultrawide, and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens. The front camera is a 42-megapixel sensor for sharp selfies. Advanced features include up to 100 times ProRes zoom, night sight video, and 8K video recording. Display, battery and charging. The Pixel 10 Pro features a 6.3-inch OLED Super Actua display. It's powered by a battery of about 4,870 mAh, with 45-watt wired charging support. The device also supports Pixel Snap, a MagSafe-style wireless charging system with Key 2 compatibility, offering up to 25-watt wireless charging. Build and software. In terms of build quality, the phone uses a premium aluminum frame with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for durability. It is rated IP68 for water and dust resistance. On the software side, it ships with Android 16 featuring the Material 3 design language, and includes exclusive AI tools such as Magic Q, Camera Coach, and Gemini Live. Pricing in India. In India, the Pixel 10 Pro with 256 GB of storage is priced at 1,09,999 rupees. The standard Pixel 10 starts at 79,999 rupees. Summary. To summarize, the Pixel 10 Pro combines cutting-edge AI, the Tensor G5 processor, a high-performance camera system, premium build, and long-term software support. It is designed to be Google's most advanced smartphone to date.